Have you ever asked ChatGPT something and it just failed? Large language models are powerful, but they're stuck in the past. LangChain changes everything. In this video, you'll discover what LangChain is and how it lets you build AI applications up to 10 times faster by integrating with virtually any data source. We're going to start by looking at what's missing with current AI tools like ChatGPT. Then, I'll reveal how LangChain fills that gap, making AI truly useful. And finally, we'll see why this is a game changer for anyone looking to build powerful applications, and how you can get in on that action. So, what's the problem with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others out of the box? They have incredible general knowledge, but they often can't answer questions about recent events. Imagine asking ChatGPT about a recent event. You'll likely get a generic response or admission of ignorance. But with LangChain, you could connect to a news API and get an instant, accurate answer. Next, they don't know anything about your data, your documents, your business. Ask a standard LLM about your company's quarterly earnings, and it'll be clueless. But with LangChain, you could access that information directly from your internal databases. And they can struggle with highly specialized information. Need a detailed legal analysis? A standard LLM might give you a general overview, but LangChain could connect to a legal database and provide specific, relevant case law. So, we've seen the frustrating limitations, but what if I told you there's a way to break through those limitations? What if you could access data from a wide range of sources? Imagine a customer service chatbot that instantly accesses all your product documentation, FAQs, and even real-time inventory, giving immediate, accurate support and leaving generic replies in the dust. Or a personal assistant that seamlessly connects your emails, calendar, and the latest market data. And for anyone drowning in long reports, LangChain lets LLMs digest and summarize any size document. This isn't just about convenience, it's about unlocking a whole new level of productivity and innovation. For businesses, this means faster development cycles, more personalized customer experiences, and a huge competitive advantage. And you don't have to be a coding genius to make it happen. Building a custom LLM application from scratch can take weeks, even months. LangChain can reduce that to hours or even minutes in some cases. That solution is LangChain. So how does it work? Let's break it down. Imagine you have a single, incredibly powerful Lego brick. That's your large language model. It's amazing, but it can't do much on its own. LangChain is like a giant box filled with a vast collection of Lego bricks, connectors, wheels, windows, specialized pieces. Everything you need to build anything you can dream up, from a simple car to a towering castle. LangChain provides the connections to bring it all together. LangChain is an open source framework that simplifies the process of building applications with large language models. Being open source means it's free to use, consistently being improved by a huge community, and you're not locked into a single vendor. While we'll be focusing on Python in this series, it's worth noting that LangChain also has excellent support for JavaScript and TypeScript, making it a versatile choice for web development. So, we now know that it's open source, but what else can it do? So, LangChain connects. But why is that a game changer? One word: speed. Without LangChain, building complex AI apps is like building a house brick by hand. You could spend weeks writing custom code to connect to different APIs, manage data, and handle context. Or you could use LangChain's pre-built components and do it in hours, or even minutes for certain tasks. LangChain's modular design and pre-built components drastically reduce development time and effort. This is why we say it can make development up to 10 times faster. So, You can build AI apps faster, but what can you do with them? Forget being limited to the LLM's built-in knowledge. LangChain lets you unlock the information trapped in your documents, databases, and APIs. Your internal documents? Done. Real-time market data? Easy. Your customer database? No problem. Websites, PDFs, spreadsheets, cloud storage, you name it. This means you can create personalized experiences for your customers, giving you a competitive edge. But before we move on, let's address a common question. I can almost hear you thinking, this sounds way too complicated. But that's the beauty of LangChain. While it has powerful features for developers, its modular design and pre-built components make it surprisingly accessible, even if you're just starting out. So LangChain is much more than a quick fix. It's an open source framework that not only solves the limitations of large language models, but it also makes development much faster. And unlike some approaches that force you into a rigid framework, LangChain's modular design lets you pick and choose the components you need, and you get tons of support from its active open source community. We've gone from seeing the limitations of standalone LLMs to understand how LangChain completely transforms their capabilities. So, LangChain isn't just a minor improvement. It's a fundamental shift in how we build AI applications. It takes us from the limitations of isolated language models to a world of connected, intelligent systems. And this opens up incredible possibilities. LangChain is more than just a framework. It's a gateway to a new era of AI development. And in a world increasingly driven by AI, skills and tools like LangChain are becoming increasingly valuable. And for those looking to deploy and manage their LangChain applications, tools like LangServe and LangSmith offer even more advanced capabilities. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.